Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the magnetic puck and winding the coil. Wrap 8 12 tight turns of 0. 5 1 mm enameled wire on a 12 20 mm former. Once done, tin the coil ends and secure them with heat shrink so they don't short. Make sure to strip enamel cleanly where you solder. Next, route the coil leads to the small PCB area and position the magnet so polarity aligns with the watch contact points. This ensures a consistent flux path for charging. Now solder the coil to a diode bridge to rectify AC from the coil. Add a 1047 micro F cap for smoothing. Once rectified, regulate to the required charging voltage. Most smartwatches expect a stable 5V input, so use a low-drop regulator or small buck module. Make sure component placement keeps the magnetic face flat. Test the output with a multimeter, then adjust regulator trim if voltage is off. Once stable, insulate and mount the PCB to the puck so alignment stays consistent. Finish by connecting the USB 5V source and testing with a dummy load. Verify 5V and safe current, then place the watch and confirm charging LED or voltage at contacts. Once confirmed, glue or epoxy the housing, keeping the magnet centered for repeatable alignment. If the watch fails to charge, check coil polarity and solder joints first, then confirm regulator output under load. If voltage drops, rebuild the coil or use a regulator with higher current head.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.